Happy week 4 for lacc 274. This week I learned a lot about how scientists think that um, the Earth, Moon, and the early life came into being. According to our readings, Earth was formed about 4.6 billion years ago from a cloud of dust and gas surrounding the young sun. During the Hayden Aeon, I don't know if I pronounced that right, surface was molten and violent with frequent asteroid impacts and intense volcanic activity. The moon likely formed shortly after, possibly through a giant collision between Earth and Mars-sized objects, which sent debris into orbit and eventually polarized into the moon. Scientists also um, hypothesized that water appeared early on, enough through volcanic outgassing or delivering by icy comets and asteroids, which eventually they created the oceans by the Archean Eon. Don't think I pronounced that right. Earth had cooled enough to stabilize the crust and first formed the microbial life may have appeared in the oceans as suggested by the stromatolite fossils and other evidences. I think it's very significant in the world hypothesis used rather than a theory in these contexts. A hypothesis is a testable idea on current evidence. Whereas the word theory is a broad explanation that has been repeatedly tested and widely supported. Because there is still many uncertainties about the details of the Earth's formation, the origin of water, and the beginnings of life, scientists present these ideas as hypotheses. They are plausible explanations that may change as new evidence emerges. Some of these hypotheses are different from what I was taught growing up. My personal beliefs include a faith-based perspective on the origin of life, which emphasizes that life is created intentionally, which science focuses on how nature processes might have led to life. My beliefs focus on why life exists. At the same time, I find the scientific explanation fascinating and very valuable for understanding Earth's history in a tangible, evidence-based way. I think it is very important to reconcile different perspectives on these topics because people often hold both scientific and personal beliefs. One way to approach this is to recognize that science can explain the mechanisms of Earth's formation and life's development, which personal beliefs can explore the meaning or purpose behind evidence by keeping these questions distinct as possible to respect both scientific evidence and personal values without forcing one to replace the other. It's going to be a little bit shy of 4 minutes. Thank you. Have a good week 4.